washing my dishes. I always wipe my dishes and take that off. I'm looking for a better one, but for now I'm just gonna use the one that I have. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the dish holder. I always like to do this after I finish washing my dishes, and then I put it away. And then now, as you can see, I'm just cleaning the cabinet. I'm just cleaning it up because my kids, they are always in this thing. Like, you always got to keep it clean, especially if you have this step kitchen. Any dirt that show, it's gonna look bad. Okay. And this is where we eat. This is the most place that's always dirty. This is my dining room table because I don't have a dining room table. This is okay for us, but this area of the kitchen and the house, this is where everybody sits. It's always dirty. I always like to keep it clean because when you have kids, I'm telling you, if you have kids and you have white stuff in your house, it's crazy. But anyways, yeah. And the fridge, I always clean my fridge every single day because of the fingerprints. My kids' fingerprints and stuff like that. I always make sure I clean my fridge. I wipe my fridge down every single day because I hate to see the kids' hands and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave you guys here right now. Thank you guys so much to my old and my new subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.